Hello and welcome to today's Mindfulness Relaxation Group takeaways. Today's theme was focused on using mindfulness relaxation to recharge, restore, and recover. Mindfulness relaxation integrates all three processes. First, recharge. Mindful breathing and gratitude help you to reset your nervous system. This allows relaxation. Next, restore. Mindful movement and presence restores physical and emotional balance. This enables relaxation. And lastly, recover. Mindfulness builds resilience and resourcefulness, as well as it helps to reduce reactivity and foster self awareness. This enhances relaxation. In practice, recharging helps you to replenish energy and vitality. Restoring helps you to return to balance and calm, and recover helps you to heal and release from stress or imbalance. Together, these three steps form a mindfulness and relaxation cycle. First, you recharge to restore energy, then restore balance, and finally recover to heal deeply. This sequence supports not only long term resilience and resourcefulness, but your overall well being. Recharge. Recharge refers to replenishing your energy, mental, emotional, and physical, positive versus negative states that you might be in. It's about giving your body and mind time to recover from stress, overwork, or emotional drain. Practices that help cultivate mindfulness relaxation, instrumental music meditation, or countdown. Recharging is all about replenishing the energy your body and mind use throughout the day. In a mindfulness and relaxation context, this means being intentional in activities that help disconnect from stressors. Restore. Restore means bringing your systems back to a healthy, balanced, and aligned state. Your nervous system, your emotions, your focus. It's all about reestablishing and realigning from disruption, stress, fatigue, or imbalance. Practices that you could use to cultivate mindfulness relaxation, breath work, and the relax and release method. Restoring goes beyond simple rest. It's about healing, repairing, and regenerating. It's about taking your body and shifting it from fight or flight to a state of healing that's supportive to both physical recovery and mental clarity. Recover. Recover is the process of healing and wholeness. It's about releasing tension, processing emotions, and allowing yourself to heal without judgment. Recover is more about healing and repair than just about temporary rest. Practice is to cultivate mindfulness relaxation, the visualization and body scan techniques. Recover is more about the process of returning to a state of balance where your body and mind can function well and positively impact your overall well being. Mindfulness can be a bridge between these three stages of recharge, restore, and recover. By being present and aware, you can choose when and how to recharge. You can choose when and how to restore, and also when and how to recover. If the information from today's meeting and takeaways resonate with you, or you're looking for more information, more resources, or more tools, I want to invite you to join our mindfulness relaxation group and work with me to deepen your practice, share experiences, and support each other's growth. Together, we can create a more peaceful, more resourceful, and more resilient community.